All right, guys, this is just a basic equation y'all did in Algebra 1. When you got to solve for x, all you got to do is get the x's on the left side, numbers on the right side. What's going to happen with 6x when I move it over? Yeah, this is the easy stuff y'all have already done forever. Positive 84, move it over, be a negative 84. Somebody add these up. I got negative 34, I got to add with negative 84. Somebody add them up for me. Tell me what you get, Marley, when you add them up.
Negative 118.
Negative 118. Everybody good? All right, so 5x minus 6x. Yes, ma'am.
You have Mackenzie Arnett.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I see her in the office for a second?
Sure.
Thank you.
Can you just grab the hall pass? Put it in your pocket. All right, so I got negative 1x equals negative 118. Guys, what's my last step? Divide by negative 1. Yeah, this is just a simple Algebra 1 equation. Just want to make sure y'all hadn't forgot the easy stuff. Everybody should be good on that. Still don't have one, Jason? Show them what it looks like, Giselle, please. You got one. You just got to be able to find it. I can run off another one at break if I need to. You just copy the problems down off the board, Jason, if you want to. All right, let's go to number 2. Number 2, I got 4, I got x plus 8, and I'm not going to have enough room out there, so let's just go to another page. 4x plus 8 equals 2x plus 3. All right, here's another one you guys should already know how to do. What do I do first? Yeah, distribute. So you guys distribute there, then we'll add up like terms. Do it. February 1st is Monday. Y'all know we got 2 more weeks of school, then y'all got another 3-day weekend.
Dang.
Y'all know that?
It's just a 3-day weekend, it's every other weekend.
I think it's President's Day. All right, so y'all should have 4x plus 32, 2x plus 6. Y'all let me know if I need to slow down. We good? Now, what do I have to do with these two x's? I got to get them on the left side so I can add them up. So I got to subtract 2 when I move it over. It'll be 4x minus 2x and 6 minus 32. If you guys want to skip some of these steps, great, skip them. But you got to show me at least one step. All right, Kevin, put that phone up for me, please. We're doing new stuff. Y'all should have 2x equals negative 6 minus 32 is negative 26. What's always the last step? Divide. So my answer is going to be negative 13. All right, again, that's a problem y'all should already know how to do. We're just reviewing it. Now, all this stuff we're doing is on the next test. And again, this next test should be easier than the last test. I mean, that's pretty easy stuff right there. All right, you guys do number 3, and we'll just see if everybody gets the same answer. I shouldn't have to show you number 3. Now, 4 and 5 is different. Let's do 3. Just quickly distribute, add up your like terms, and see what you get. We'll get back to break. I'll try to show y'all what you made on the test, and I'll put them in and update your average. We got a lot of kids right now failing just because y'all miss. So what's going to happen with this x when I move it over here?
You get cancel out.
Good. What's going to happen with this negative 30 when I move it over here? All right, good. So write that down. See what y'all get from here. All right, so 1 minus 1 gives me 0x equals 40. Kelly, what do I need to divide both sides by from here? We got to divide by 0. Kelly, punch that in your calculator. 40 divided by 0. Tell me what the calculator says. You can't divide by 0. It says error. So when that ever happens, it's no solution. Anytime you got 0 on the bottom, it's a no solution. All right, let's go to 5. 5 is a little bit different. All right, I'm going to go ahead and distribute when I write it down. 2 times x, 2 times 4 is 8. All right, you guys try that one for me now. Add up, get your like terms, get your x's on the left, numbers on the right, get your answers. Make sure you watch this on this one. That's right. Now, there's something special you write for that answer, Isaiah, when you get that. All right, so some of y'all have already seen the problem on this one. All right, look, y'all should know something's up when we got the exact same thing on the left side and the right side. So y'all should have 2x minus 2x and 8 minus 8. Isaiah had 0x equals 0. Well, now look, if you try and divide by 0 again, you automatically think no solution. But anytime you got 0 on both sides, it's all real numbers. And here's why. Let's say you tried to plug in 6 right there. Would that work? 0 times 6 is 0, so 0 equals 0. That works. Say you tried to plug in, I don't know, 300. Would that work? Yeah, all the numbers work. That's why it's all real numbers. Or y'all might have learned it as infinitely many possibilities, depending on who you had in 9th grade. All right, but again, that's something old that y'all are supposed to already know. All right. Y'all do 6. Y'all shouldn't need my help. Try 6. We'll check our answer. I don't have an answer yet. What, like last week? All right. And I think everybody knows it's going to start out x times x. I showed y'all last week how to find your factors of 20 on your calculator, right? But that was on the other calculators. So I need to show y'all how to do it on here. Now, your factors of 20, if you can do it in your head, everybody knows 1 times 20. What else? 2 times 10. What else? 4 times 5. All right, but if you don't know that, how can we bring it up on this calculator? Do y'all remember? Everybody hit, crap. Where do you hit? I think it's, all right, everybody hit table right here. Everybody hit your button and clear anything that's there. Hit table. All right, now type in the last number is 20. Everybody type in 20 divided by x. The X button is right here. All right, then if y'all hit enter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, it brings it up for you. Brings up all the different factors of 20. Y'all need to know how to do this on your calculator. If y'all get a number like 48, you might want to know all the factors. All right, so I got 1 times 20, 2 times 10, 4 times 5, and that's it. All right, so that's just information for you. Out of these 3 options, guys, which one's going to help us on this problem? Why 4 and 5? Because they're the only ones that add up to 20. All right, good. Are my signs going to be the same or different? Same, and they're both going to be a negative. All right, is that all we had to do on that one was factor it, or do we have to solve it? Oh, no, it's got to equal 0. Okay. All right. So, last week we factored them, right? But you guys remember the extra step you got to do when it's got to equal 0 on it? You got to do this. X minus 4 equals 0, and x minus 5 equals 0. What's this answer going to be? Positive 4. How about this one? Positive 5. So all this stuff y'all should already know. All right, so I did 8 with y'all. I want y'all to do number 11. It's the same kind of problem as number 8. So quickly do 11. Like I said, we're going to go to 12 before we go to break.
Number 11?
Yep, everybody do number 11. Yeah, you gave me one up. Everybody should be doing this one the same way we did number 8. All right, everybody knows it's y times y. What numbers go here and here that times together to give you 3? 1 and 3. Now, are my signs going to be the same, or are they going to be different on this one? Same. All right, so if you guys want to skip a step from here, I think that's great. Y'all should know that you're going to have to move plus 1 over. That's going to be negative 1. That's going to be negative 3. So that's not a whole lot of work. If y'all can skip some steps, good. All right, remember, JP, they got to times together to give you the last number, and they got to add up to give you the middle number. And as long as that works out, you're good. All right, let's do another one. Let's go back now. Let's do number 7. We looked at one of these last week too. All right, look, I changed it up. Why did I write minus 144 equals 0? Because you got to bring everything on the left side before you can factor it out. All right, now this is a special kind of problem. What makes it special? 144 is a special number. Why?
Square.
Perfect square. And when it's a perfect square, it's going to be the easiest type to factor. What's the square root of 144?
12.
So it's x minus 12 and x plus 12. So this answer is positive 12. This answer is negative 12. Again, we did that last week. The difference of squares. All right, next one. Let's go to number 9. This is where you guys normally forget how to do these from last year. Number 9 says 2x squared minus 3x minus 9 equals 0. Hey, why'd I move my minus 9 over?
Everything has to be on the left.
Everything's got to be on the left. It's got to be in standard form. All right, now depending on who you had for Algebra 1 and who you had last year, everybody teaches this step different. All right, I think the way I'm going to show y'all is the best, but I know Miss Carter's got her own way. She does a really, I call it a crazy way, but anyway, it works for her. I'm not sure what Justin White showed y'all, but on my way, what makes this one harder? Why can't I do this one the same way we did number 11?
First one's out.
Because you got a number in front of the x squared now, which changes everything. Now when you multiply here and here, it's got to equal the first number. So what numbers can we times together that are going to equal 2? Yeah, 1 times 2. 1x, 2x. All right? Now what numbers can I times here and here, JP, that equal 9? All right, well my options are 1 times 9 or 3 times 3. How do you know which one to try first? Always try the ones that are closest together first. They work almost every time. Not every time, but almost every time. All right? Are our signs going to be the same or are they going to be different? Different. I'm going to put a plus and a minus. Now, how do we know if this works? They've got to add up to give us negative 3, right? All right, now, when you add them up, since I got a number in front this time, it changes how we add them up. To add them up this time, you have to do it this way. You got to times these two first. What's that give me? Negative 3, right? You got to times these two second. What's that give me? Positive 6? Positive 6. So, negative 3 plus 6 equals positive 3x. Hey, we're close. We got positive 3. It was supposed to equal negative 3. How do y'all think we changed it? The only thing that's wrong, yeah, the signs just need to be flipped. All right, so I'm going to make that one a plus and this one a minus. And now it's fixed. Now, somebody said last semester, hey, it looks like a smiley face. We started calling it the smiley face method. We'll go with that if that helps you remember how to do it. So I times the outside, write it down. I times the inside, write it down. And you got to add those up to get the middle now. Now, again, I think that's the best way to do it. If y'all got another way from last year and you want to do it last year's way, that's fine with me. All right, but now to finish it up, I got x minus 3 equals 0 from that one. 2x plus 3 equals 0 from that one. Solving both, get both answers.
So the only difference between problems like these and problems like these is just because
Yep, but it's got a number in the front, Elijah. It makes it harder where you got to do an extra step, basically. So those are the ones we're going to have to work on. I don't think y'all ever have to work on number 11. I think y'all are good on that. All right, what's this answer going to be if I move negative 3 over? Yeah, that one's easy. That's positive 3. All right, what happens on this one when I move positive 3 over? Comes a negative 3, and now what do I divide by? 2. So it's negative 3 over 2. You can leave it like that, or you can make it a decimal. I don't care. And we got 2 more to do, and then we'll go to break. Come back after break, and we'll let y'all work on this type stuff. All right, next one is, we haven't done 10 and we haven't done 12. Let's do 12. 2x squared plus 11x minus 21. All right, Elijah, you notice we got a number in the front again, so we got to do it the same way we did the last one. All right, so y'all help me. What numbers can I times here and here if they got to equal the first number? Yeah, 1 and 2. 1x, 2x. All right, does anybody know off the top of your head what numbers can we times here and here if it's got to equal 21?
7 and 3.
Yeah, it's probably going to be 7 and 3. It might be 3 times 7. We might have to flip them, but you won't know until you try them, right? Signs, are they going to be the same or different?
They're gonna be different.
Different. All right, plus and minus. I'm just throwing some in there. Now, I've done this 25 years. I can look at it and know whether or not it's going to work or not. That one's close. It's not going to work, but we're close. Yeah. So how do we check it again to see if it gives us 11? What do? Smiley face. I times these two and I get 3. Then I times these two.
Negative 14.
Okay. So 3 minus 14 gives us negative 11. So again, just like last problem, we're close, right? So I just got to switch my signs and make it a positive 11. Good. So that needs to be a plus. That needs to be a minus. All right. So from here, you guys finish it up. Set them both equal to 0. Find both answers. X plus 7 equals 0. 2x minus 3 equals 0. And again, if you can skip some steps, great. All right.
Was negative 11x part of your answer?
This right here.
Yes.
I was just using this to check and see if I had positive 11 in the middle. So when I did this, yeah, you don't have to show this. If you can do it in your head, I don't care if you show it or
So
not.
what's the final answer you're looking for? What you get from you?
When I solve both of these, those are my answers, my final answers. So JP, what's this answer going to be when I move plus 7 over?
Negative 7.
So that answer is negative 7. Now guys, as we do more of these, I would hope y'all could do this part in your head. If I move negative 3 over, I know that's going to be a positive 3, then I divide by 2. So that'll save you a step, right?
So even if that's 4x, wouldn't it just be 3 over 4?
Yeah. All right, we got one more, then we'll go to break. We got number what? 10. All right, number 10. I got a squared minus 6a equals 0. Again, you got to move everything over on the left, so that's what I did to start. Now, we did this the first week of class. All right, when I show you, you should remember. What do you have to do when they both have an a in common? Do y'all remember? Take out an a. Yeah. We did this the first week. What goes in the parentheses? A minus 6. Good. Write it down. Now we got to find both answers. What's the answer for the first a? Y'all remember?
0.
0.
Good. What's the answer for the second a?
Plus 6.
Positive 6. Okay. So we did that first week of class. All right, let's go to break.
All right.
We'll come back. We'll work on this stuff for the rest of the day.